How to download video from Twitter in mobile? Follow this step. To get started, open the Twitter app on your mobile device. Now find the tweet containing the video you want to download. Next, look for the share icon below the tweet. From the option that appears, select copy link. This copies the link of the tweet to your clipboard. After that, switch over to your mobile browser. In the browser address bar, type Twitter video download and hit search. From the result, pick one of the popular downloader website. Once the site loads, press and hold the message box and select paste option. Now hit the download button. Finally, choose the video quality you prefer and tap on it to start downloading. When the download finishes, you can find your video in your phone gallery. Just go back and open your gallery. And there you go. Now you know how to download video from Twitter in mobile.